The most exciting part of the production process is for sure the moment when you begin. I mean, you enter a studio, let's say at 10 a.m. and you have a white sheet of paper, which is, you have no track. And then 6 hours later, the white sheet of paper is a wonderful picture, in the best case. That means after a few hours, you have created something. And this is so wonderful. You woke up in the morning and you didn't know what you would create. And this moment, when you play the first kick drum, when you play the first arpeggio, when you just put your finger on the keyboard and a wonderful CS80 pad is playing, this is the moment where I think, wow, now it's time to create something new. And even if it's not so exciting what you did, there are always elements you can use later. So the moment when I play the first tone is for sure the magical one. I love it.